Hello YouTube and welcome to another MikroTik tutorial. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can order your firewall filter rules the correct and optimal way using AI. So are you ready? Let's get started. So as you can see here, I am on my Winbox. So I'm accessing actually my MikroTik router. So if I go to IP firewall, okay, then here in the firewall rules you can see a bunch of firewall filter rules. Okay, so as you may know, the order is very important in this filter rules because the rules are processed from top to bottom, and you may actually find it difficult to order these rules because as you can see here there are many. Okay, so in this case we're gonna actually need the help of AI. So we're gonna actually use two famous AI, ChatGPT and Gemini. Okay, so we're gonna simply give them this list of rules and actually ask them to order it the correct and optical way. So let's begin. Okay, so let me go to the terminal here. So here I'm gonna just print this firewall rules. So of course they are under IP firewall filter. Okay, then print. So you can see here I have almost 18 rules. Okay, so I'm gonna simply copy and paste them to the chat GPT and ask it for ordering them. Okay, so the first rule is actually a dynamic one, so I'm not going to need it. So I'm gonna just start from the 1 here till 18 rule, which is actually drop everything. Okay, so I'm gonna simply copy them. Okay, and now let's head to ChatGPT and ask it to order these rules. So I'm gonna begin a new chat. So I'm gonna just ask him, please can you order the following MikroTik firewall filter rules the correct way and the most optimal actually order. Okay, so I'm gonna just paste now these rules that I have copied. Okay, so I paste them. So I have here 18 rules and I'm gonna just send it to ChatGPT. We're gonna see the result. Okay, so here it's telling me rule order in MikroTik is critical. So that's what I told you before, because firewall rules are processed top to bottom. Okay, so the first match wins. Okay, so here there are some general rules: drop bad traffic early, accept established early, apply security protections, allow what's needed, drop everything else at the end. Okay, so here it's explaining the optimal order here. Okay, so the first rule is drop invalid input, then accept established and related. Okay, the third one, log malicious IPs. So here it's telling me you do not need rule number 3, it's redundant. Rule 2 already drops them. Okay, okay, so here it explains actually each rule. Okay, so we're gonna actually go to the bottom and see. So what you should remove, it asking me just to remove rule number 3. Okay, protect router from malicious IPs. So actually my rules are correct, okay, except that this is just actually suggestion is to remove rule number 3, okay. So now we're gonna take the same prompt, okay, and see what Gemini will tell us, okay. So I'm gonna simply copy this prompt here. I'm gonna move to Gemini now. I'm gonna paste the prompt, so you can see here is the same prompt. So now we are using Gemini, and let's see what it will provide us, okay. So here is telling optimizing MikroTik Firewall rules is all about the drop early accept fast principle. So the goal is to ensure the CPU spends as little time as possible processing packets by putting the most frequent traffic. Here is your recorder list optimized for performance and security. So here for now the rule number 1, he's telling in establish unrelated fast path. This should almost be at the top, okay. So the immediate drop invalid packets. So here it's different from what actually ChatGPT says. So here, if you remember, ChatGPT suggests to drop invalid first, always first, but here for Gemini it's telling me the established unrelated fast path must come at first, okay. Here the final drop, anything no explicit equaled, okay, the optimized orders. So here, as you can see, it has put the fast track as the first option, then the established and related accept all, okay. So you can see here it's a little bit different from actually what ChatGPT says, but in general they agreed on the same principle, okay. So for example, if we go to the bottom is to forward chain. So the chain forward accept your LAN actually network to the one, then drop all, which is almost trivial here. So if we go to ChatGPT, you can see also the two same rules are suggested. So most of the time they are almost the same. There's a little bit difference between them. But yeah, you can actually use AI to help you to order your rules. That's the heart of this video, okay. So that was just a simple video to show you how you can use AI to help you to order or even suggest other rules, so you can use them into your MikroTik firewall rules, okay. So if you like the video, don't forget to give it a like, or also if you have any questions you can drop them in the comment below, okay. So as always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.